Have you ever wondered where true luxury begins? At Baer, it starts in Italy with a single piece of the finest full-grain Italian leather, crafted into elegant bags and accessories. For hundreds of years, Italy has been famous for making the finest leather products. Their craft, refined through generations, is a true art form, unmatched in quality and elegance. Every single piece of leather used in a Baer bag is carefully selected, so only the most exquisite grades are incorporated into the finished product. Our full-grain leather is renowned not only for its exceptional quality and durability, but also for its unique ability to develop a rich patina over time, which only the highest quality of leather will achieve. Imagine a bag that ages as gracefully as the finest vintage wine, its leather deepening in character with every journey, becoming an inseparable part of your life's rich history. Finished by hand, our refined hardware embodies timeless beauty and ensures exceptional durability. These details reflect a status of premium quality that stands the test of time. Each stitch is a testament to centuries-old craftsmanship, where tradition meets modern design. As the bag takes shape, so does its character, unique, refined, and ready for the world stage. Discover the perfect bag that resonates with your personal journey in the Baer collection today. With Baer, carry not just a bag, but a legacy.